The best Vivid Money referral bonus trick is not about luck or timing, it is about structure and execution. Vivid Money pays referral bonuses only when new users complete specific actions, so the entire strategy focuses on guiding people cleanly through those steps without confusion or drop-off. First, position the referral correctly. Do not sell it as free money. Present it as a modern European digital bank that offers multi-currency accounts, virtual and physical cards, cashback, and crypto access. People who understand the value of the product are more likely to complete verification and stay active, which is what unlocks the bonus. Every incomplete sign-up is lost money. Second, control the sign-up path. Share only your direct referral link and always explain the required actions clearly before anyone clicks. The user must sign up through the link, verify their identity, order the card, and make a qualifying card transaction. If they miss even one step, the bonus is not paid. This is where most referrals fail. Third, use a low-friction transaction method. Recommend a small card payment such as a $5 to $10 online purchase, mobile data top-up, or subscription trial. This activates the account without unnecessary spending and immediately triggers eligibility. Avoid bank transfers or crypto for the first transaction, as they do not always count. Fourth, scale with targeted traffic. Short-form videos, Telegram groups, and finance-focused WhatsApp broadcasts convert far better than random social posts. Each message should include the benefit, the exact steps, and proof of payout in dollars to build trust. Consistency matters more than volume. Finally, reinvest early bonuses. Use the first payouts to run small ads or boost posts that already convert. This compounds results quickly and turns a single referral link into a steady income stream. This is how the Vivid Money referral bonus moves from occasional earnings to predictable dollar payouts.